Hi all, this is a small online e-commerce site that has been developed to demonstrate the normal B2B transactions. This project has been developed in NetBeans using JSF and Bean files. Coming to the demo, we have developed an UI that is mobile, laptop, desktop compatible. To show this compatibility, let's click on this minimize button and drag this closer. So all these tabs have been minimized or have been compatible with the mobile screens wherein we can scroll it and then check all the things in a single page. And then let's maximize it. The other new feature that we have implemented in the UI is the slider part, wherein when we click on the slider, the images get changed. That is, it slides over the other. So these are the new features that we have implemented in our UI, and we think this is the best one. Let's log in. Let's start with the login part. So let's click on the login. We have three buttons over here. That's the sign in, sign up, and forgot password. First of all, let's register a user by clicking on the sign up button. Let's enter our first name. That's Cust5, and let's give his last name as Cust5 underscore last name. Username as Cust5. Again, the email as cust5 at gmail.com. Then the password same as cust5. The password confirmation again cust5. So this is the place where we give the birth date. So let me take this. So let's enter the gender and the marital status as married. Phone would be a 9-digit number wherein 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the address would be something like 2300 Bay Area. And the street would be Clear Lake. The city again would be Houston. And the state would be Texas, zip code 77058, and country would be USA, and hit on register. So this would navigate you to the home page wherein you get a successful message which says that you have been registered successfully. So this is the registration successful message, and this is the home screen or the login screen. So let's change the username password again here to know this functionality. Click on the forgot password and enter the user's email address. So that is cust5 at gmail.com, and the password would be like the new password which you want. So again that would be test1, and the new password again would be test1. So I'll hit on reset to reset my password. So this would again give me a confirmation wherein it says the password has been reset. So this is the password changed successfully. So let me enter the username here. It's cust5, and the user is the one which I created recently. So this is the password would be test1, and click on sign in. Okay, this might take some time. So this is the customer home page wherein we have two options, either to select some service or to select any material. The type of materials, let me take material first and hit on search. The type of material that we have in our database table would be like iPhones, MacBook, that's all, like many more. So let's search it by name. So that would be an iPhone. So let's click on search material. So this should display the item that has iPhone in its name. So that is the iPhone itself. So this is the only one that gets selected or searched. So let's go back and see some more functionality of the search. So let's search it by key. Key in the sense it's a type of electronic, or it would be electronic. So this is a partial search wherein I can just remove the electric and I can search it based on the on this word. So it should display all the items that have their key as electronics or anything that contains ELC. So this is the product 1 that has electronics, product 2 electronics, product 3 everything has electronics in it. So this functionality works fine. So let's go back and search some services. So you'll have to click on services radio button and click on search. So here is this option wherein we can enter name. So that would be name would be like repair. Click on search. If at all there is something with repair in its name, that would be popped up. If at all there is nothing, then it would be nothing in the cart page. So it might take some time. Okay, there's a page wherein we have the name, wherein we have repair in both of them. So this is the search functionality. So let's add one item into the cart. So just click on the add to cart button over here in the search table, and that should increment the value here. That is, it was 0 before and it just got incremented to 1, saying and displaying a successful message added to cart. So let's again add another item with the ID 12. So let's add to cart and the count in the cart should be 2. So you get a successful message for that too, that is added to cart. So you have 2 items in the cart. So let's go to my cart page. So this is my cart page wherein the 2 items in the cart have been displayed. Let's try with the remove from cart functionality. So let's remove the cart. Let's remove the item number 12 from the cart. So hit on the remove from the cart and the value in the count would be decremented by 1. Okay, it got decremented by 1, and let's add 2 more services into it. That's 2 and hit on add. So this would add 2 more into the cart. So the same item would be incremented, that is the quantity got 2 and then the total price is 40 now. So this is the finalized cart that I have with me. So we'll click on the checkout button wherein a PO would be displayed for for each of the products. So there are like, so in this PO displays the purchase order number and the customer ID, that is the cust5 which we just created and are using the same thing. And this goes to the customer again, cust5 and his address, shipping address, phone number and email for the other details. And the vendor details to the left would also have the name, phone and email. The next part would be the type of the mode of delivery, that is it is display it is delivered to the user based on the with FedEx, and then the product ID 11 is being added to the cart and the quantity is 2. So this is the finalized page wherein we create a purchase order. Now hit on sign out to just navigate to the home button. So this takes the user to the home button and can continue shopping again. Finally, I would like to thank all my teammates in group 3 and also Dr. Nanfei to guide us with the project. Thank you.